Happy morning students. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter algebra. So dear children, take your third chapter note and start writing. Children, have you completed your homeworks? Take your homework and check your answers. Exercise 3.3, 8th sum. Using factor theorem, show that x minus 5 is a factor of the polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square minus 28x plus 15. Okay, this polynomial you have to take p of x. Like p of x is equal to what given polynomial you should take it by factor theorem, using factor theorem, isn't it? Factor theorem. Here show that x minus 5 is a factor. X minus 5 is the factor. So, x minus 5 is the factor of p of x means then if p of 5 equal to what? 0. P of 5 equal to 0. Therefore, x place we have to substitute 5. Okay. Then 5 substituting time we got here 0. Isn't it? 0 got. Therefore, we can write what x minus 5 is a factor of this polynomial. Okay, did you get this answer? The ninth sum, determine the value of m if x plus 3 is a factor. X plus 3 is the factor means what's the condition? And then p of minus 3 equal to 0 means this is the factor we can write, isn't it? And is a factor of this polynomial. So, given polynomial we have to take p of x by factor theorem. X plus 3 is the factor of p of x means if p of minus 3 equal to 0. Shall we check? Here factor is given, isn't it? X minus x plus 3 is the factor given. So, p of minus 3 equal to 0, which implies then x place we have to substitute this minus 3. Okay, that is equal to 0. Okay, then all values substitute. Then 3m is equal to 30 we will get. M is equal to 30 divided by 3 and cancel. M equal to 10 is the answer. You got it? Okay, very good. In algebraic identities, did you write in your notes? This identity is our thing. Then a plus b the whole square is, you know, a square plus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square, isn't it? Then x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, isn't it? And then these four identities last year you learned maybe, isn't it? You know. Then here one more term also. Here then a plus b plus c. Okay, already a plus b the whole square you know. Like that here one more term. Okay, a plus b plus c also. The whole square is equal to this a square plus b square plus c square also. Okay, then afterwards 2ab first. Then afterwards 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. Then this is the next one, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Here x plus a into x plus b you know. Isn't it like that? Here x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Okay. Then next one, x plus y the whole cube is equal to, what's the formula? X cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, or and x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay. You memorize this formulas everything. Okay, these are the basic formulas. Okay, you must study. Next one, x minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Okay, like that another one formula also there. Again, then x minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay. Next one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. Then if x plus y plus z equal to 0 means then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to what's value? Suppose x plus y plus z equal to 0 if you get means then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xy z. Okay, we will get. Then next one, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, then x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y the whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, we must study these formulas. Okay, next year also very useful this formula. Okay, be careful and study. Okay, today we are going to see this sum. Example 3.16. Expand the following using identities. Okay, then first one, 3x plus 4y the whole square. Second one, 2a minus 3b the whole square. Third one, 5x plus 4y into 5x minus 4y. Fourth one, m plus 5 into m minus 8. Okay, m minus 8. Okay, then first one, 3x plus 4y the whole square. Okay, this is of the form a plus b the whole square form. Okay, we have a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then we have to put a place what is there? A is equal to 3x. Then b is equal to 4y. We have to substitute. Okay, put a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 4y. Okay, then you write the question 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y the whole square is equal to, okay, instead of here a we have to substitute 3x. Okay, then 3x the whole square plus is 2 into a means what? 3x into b means what? Then 4y, isn't it? Then plus b square means we have to substitute 4y the whole square. 4y the whole square. Then equal to 3x the whole square is 3 3s are 9, isn't it? 9. Then x square. Then 2 into 3 or 2 3s are 6, isn't it? 6 4s are 24. Very good. 24 into is everything into, isn't it? x y plus 4 square. 4 square means what? 16. Okay, 16 y square. Okay, our question is expand. Okay, this expansion we wrote. You got it? Have understood? You know this one, isn't it? Second question is 2a minus 3b the whole square. Okay, then here 2a minus 3b. This is of the form what? A minus b the whole square. Here minus is there, isn't it? So we know we have which formula? A minus b the whole square is equal to, say the formula, a square then minus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? Then have to substitute, put a is equal to, instead of a, here what is given? A is equal to 2a. Okay, then instead of b what is given? 3b, isn't it? B is equal to 3b. Okay, shall we substitute here? Then 2a. Then I write the question 2a minus 3b the whole square is equal to, then 3a, instead of a 2a is there, minus b placed here, 3b is there, isn't it? The whole square is equal to expansion. This is the expansion, isn't it? A square means what? 2a the whole square, then minus 2 into a. Instead of a, have to substitute 2a. Instead of b, have to substitute 3b. Okay, then plus b square. B square means what? 3b the whole square. Have you understood this one? 2a the whole square, then minus 2 into 2a into, this bracket means that is 2 into, okay, bracket into, this one also into, okay, got it? Then equal to 2a the whole square is 4, isn't it? 4a square minus, here 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12, isn't it? 12ab, okay, ab plus, then 3 square is 9, isn't it? 3 into 3 is what? 9, then b square. This is the expansion of this 2a minus 3b the whole square. Can you reduce this one? No, isn't it? We cannot reduce. Like term, any like terms are here, we can add or subtract, but here we cannot add. Okay, this is the expansion. Okay, next, third subdivision is 5x plus 4y into 5x minus 4y. Okay, here our question is expand the following using identities. So we have to use the identities. Otherwise, ordinary multiplication also we can do. This 2 we can multiply, isn't it? But our question is using identities. Okay, here 5x is there, first term, here also 5x. Okay, then second term, here 4y is there, here also 4y. Okay, both also same. So we know one identity we have, then a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Instead of a, 5x is there, instead of b, 4y, isn't it? A plus b into a minus b is equal to, you know very well, a square minus b square. Okay, so we have to substitute, put a is equal to what? 5x, substitute, then b is equal to 4y, isn't it? b is equal to 4y, we have to substitute. Then you write the question, 5x plus 4y into what? 5x minus 4y is equal to, here 5x, 5 instead of a, 5x is there, instead of b, what? 4y, isn't it? Then equal to a square minus b square. A square means what? 5x the whole square. Okay, here we have to substitute this identity. 5x the whole square minus this minus b square. B square means what? 4y, isn't it? 4y the whole square. 4y the whole square. Then equal to 5x the whole square is 5 square is 25. Then x square minus 4 4's are 16. 16y square. Okay, can you reduce this one? No. This is the expanded form. Okay, fourth subdivision, m plus 5 into m minus 8. Okay, m plus 5 into m minus 8. Here we have which identity? X plus a into x minus b, isn't it? Here suppose here 5 is there, here also 5 means a plus b into a minus b formula we can use, isn't it? But here 5 is there, here minus 8 is there, isn't it? So we have to use here variables both also same. Okay, that means we can use this formula, x plus a into x minus b equal to x square plus a minus b into x plus minus ab. Okay, then here instead of x, which variable is given? M, isn't it? Instead of a, what's the value? 5. Very good. And instead of b, 8. Have you understood? These values we have to substitute in this formula, this identity. Okay. Then write the question. M plus 5 into M minus 8 equal to, that means M plus 5 into M minus 8 is equal to H square. H square means what here? M square plus A minus B. A minus B means 5 minus 8 into, okay, and H minus, this minus, okay, AB. AB means 5 into 8. Very clear? And equal to M square. Then here plus is there. That plus we have to write here. 5 minus 8 is greater number minus smaller number, greater number sign. That means minus 3, isn't it? Into H minus 5 8s are 40. Okay? And equal to M square. Plus into minus is minus. Minus 3x minus 40. Have you understood? Any doubt? Substitution? Okay, this and all you know, isn't it? You know very well. Expansion of trinomial a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, then example 3.17. Expand a minus b plus c the whole square. Okay, expand a minus b plus c the whole square. But we know a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. A plus b the whole square means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, isn't it? Here one more term is there. So we have to write what? C square plus 2ab. Okay. Then plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. Then here our question is a minus b. Okay. Replacing b, what? Minus b. Okay. In this expansion. Then write the question a plus what instead of b what we have to replace minus b plus c the whole square is equal to your expansion. This is here substitute a square. A square means what? A square you should write. Okay. Then instead of b minus b is there, isn't it? So we have to write this plus then b minus b the whole square. Okay. Then plus c square. No change. Then plus 2 into a means what? A, isn't it? Then b place you have to substitute minus b. Then plus 2 into b place substitute minus b into c. Okay. Then plus 2 CA, no change. Here equal to a square, then minus b the whole square is even power, isn't it? So plus it we will get. Then plus b square, then plus c square, then plus into minus is minus, isn't it? Minus 2ab. Then here plus into minus is minus, isn't it? Minus 2bc, then plus 2ca. Okay, this is the expansion. Okay, expanded form is this one. A minus b plus c the whole square is equal to, this is the expanded form. Have we got it? Next, example 3.18. Expand 2x plus 3y plus 4z the whole square. Okay, how many terms? 3 terms, isn't it? 3 terms means the, you know, the identity a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. Then we have to substitute instead of a, what is there? Instead of a, 2x is there, isn't it? And instead of b, 3y is given. Instead of c, 4z is given. Okay. Shall we write the question? Then 2x plus 3y plus 4z the whole square is equal to, here a square. A square means what? 2x the whole square. Okay, are you clear? Plus this plus b. Instead of b, 3y the whole square and plus c. Instead of c, 4z the whole square. Okay, then plus 2 into, okay, into means this bracket we have to write. Then a place 2x we have to substitute. 2x into b. B means what? 3y. Okay, then plus 2bc. 2 into b, 3y. Then c, 4z plus 2 into c. C means what? 4z into a. A means what? 2x. Any doubt? And equal to 4x the 2x the whole square is 4, isn't it? 4x square plus 3y the whole square is 3y into 3y. That means what? 9y square plus 4z into 4z. That means what? 16. 4 4s are 16. Z into z is z square, isn't it? Then plus 2 2s are 4. Then 4 3s are what? 12, isn't it? 4 3s are 12. Then x, y. Okay. Then plus 2 3s are 6, isn't it? Then 6 4s are 24. 24 y z. Okay. Then plus 2 4s are what? 8, isn't it? 8 2s are what? 16. 16 what is that? X or x is z. Okay. Then x is z. Any doubt? Then very simple. Okay, expansion here. Instead of a, we have to substitute this value b, c. Okay, this formula only is study. Formula if you study means this question very simple. Okay. Now let's see example 3.19. Find the area of square whose side length is 3m plus 2n minus 4l. Okay. Find the area of square. Okay. Area of this square, what's the formula? Side into side, isn't it? Area of this square is side into side. Square means all sides are equal, isn't it? And then what's the formula? Side into side. That means a square is the formula, isn't it? Then here side what is given? 3m plus 2n minus 4l into what? One more time we have to write side into side. Side 3m plus 2n minus 4l. Okay. Then equal to here this one how many times? 2 times are there, isn't it? So we have to write what? 3m plus 2n minus 4l the whole square we can write. Okay. Then this here how many terms are given? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there, isn't it? So we know that formula. We know that. Say the formula. A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to say a square plus b square plus c square and then plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. Then here we have to find what? 3m plus 2n minus 4l the whole square, isn't it? Then here we have to substitute. Okay. Then shall we substitute? Then substituting instead of a, what is given here? Instead of a, 3m is there. Okay. Instead of b, 2n is there. Okay. Instead of c, minus 4l is there. All values we have to substitute here. Okay. This is the question. A square. A square means what? 3m the whole square plus b square. B square means what? 2n the whole square C square is minus 4L the whole square. Okay. Then plus 2 into A into B. Okay. Then 2 into A is 3M. B is what? 2N. Okay. Then plus 2BC plus 2 into B. B is 2N. C is minus 4L. Okay. Plus 2 into C. C means what? Then minus 4L into A is 3M. Are you clear? Any doubt? Then equal to 3M the whole square is 3 3s are what? 9, isn't it? 9M square plus 2N the whole square means 2N into 2N. That means the 2 2s are 4. Then N square. Okay. Then this means here minus 4L into minus 4L. Okay. That means minus into minus is what? Plus 4 4s are 16L square. Very clear? And plus 2 3s are 6, isn't it? Then 6 2s are 12. Okay. 12MN. 12MN. Okay. Then here plus 2 2s are 4, isn't it? Then 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Plus into minus is what? Here minus. Okay. 16NL. 16NL. Any doubt? Then afterwards we have 2CA. 2CA means this one. Okay. 2 into plus into minus is what? Minus. Okay. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 8 3s are 24, isn't it? 24. 24LM. Any doubt? Can you reduce this one? Any like term? No, isn't it? This is the area of the square, isn't it? Therefore, area of the square is equal to area of square is equal to what? 9M square. Then plus 4N square plus 16L square plus 12MN minus 16NL minus 24LM. Okay. Then usually area of the square, area of the rectangle means then we will write what? Square units, isn't it? Therefore, square units. Answer is square units. Any doubt? Find the area of this square. Because side is given. Okay. Side is given. Area of this square formula we know. Then side into side. Then this one 2 times right. The whole square it will come. Okay. Then afterwards A plus B plus C. 3 terms are given. So we have to use this formula. Substituting instead of A 3M, B 2N, C minus 4N. All values substitute. Then area of this square we will get. Okay. Square units. Very clear? Shall I give homework? Homework question. Exercise 3.4. First one. First 2 subdivision. Okay. First 2 subdivision. Here expand the following. 2x plus 3y plus 4 is the whole square. First question. Second one is minus p plus 2q plus 3r. Okay. First minus p is there. Okay. Instead of a minus p take it. Okay. The same model and this question try to do. Okay. Then these are the question. This may be asked for 2 more question. Okay. And then study all formulas. Okay. Then if you have any doubt, you can call me in the doubt clearing section. Thank you children. Have a nice day.